Today we have to start with this solid example, page number 31, fourth example. 150 p cube plus 432 q cube. This 250 p cube and 432 q cube. This is the example. But this 250 is not the perfect cube of any term, and this any number, and this 432 is not the perfect cube of any number. So if you want to convert in the form of the perfect cube, at that time I will write this 250 as 2 multiplied by 125, because this 125 is the perfect cube term, and this 432 I will write this as 2 multiplied by 216 into q cube. This 216 is also the perfect cube. Here in between the terms this 2 is common, so you have to take out this 2 common from both the terms. From both the terms you have to take out 2 common. If I will take out 2 common, at that time what is remain? 125 p cube plus 216 q cube. Then this 125 is the perfect cube of 5, and this 216 is the perfect cube of 6. So I will write this. I will solve this first, and after that I will find out the value of this cube term by using the identity, and I will put that value afterwards. So I will take this term here. This 125 p cube plus 216 q cube. This 125 is the perfect cube of 5p bracket cube. 216 is the perfect cube of 6q bracket cube. So here this is in the form a cube plus b cube. So you have to put a is equal to 5p and b is equal to 6q. You have to utilize the identity. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b in one bracket, a square minus ab plus b square in another bracket. You have to put a is equal to 5p, b is equal to 6q. 5p bracket cube plus 6q bracket cube is equal to a value is 5p plus 6q. A square is 5p square minus a into b is 5p into 6q, and b square is 6q bracket cube. Here you have to do the square properly. 5p plus 6q as it is you have to write. 5 square is 25. Square of p is p square. 6 5s are, you have to write 6 5s are 30. P multiplied by p is equal, q is equal to pq, and 6 square 36, and square of q is q square. So expansion of 125 p cube plus 216 q cube is equal to 5p plus 6q, and 25 p square minus 30 p cube plus 36 q square. After that, your whatever be the value of this will come. This 25 p cube plus 216 q cube, you have to put this value here. Then if you will put this value, at that time what will come? 2 as it is you have to write. The expansion of this is 5p plus 6q in one bracket, in another bracket 25 plus p square minus 30 pq plus 36 q square. In place of this you have to write this 2 multiplied by expansion of this is 5p plus 6q in one bracket, in another bracket 25q square minus 30pq plus 36q square. In this way you have to solve this example. You have to write this example in the notebook properly. Thank you.